trust. Look as around the world in 80 days. Across a dark and savage land, it's full of snakes and bellyings, I think you'll understand. From old Carnival's tiny sea, it's lucky if that leaky skip will ever leave the quay. The pirates run their shipping, it's never fun at lots. Adventure's not so ripping when you're torn apart by sharks. The globe is full of dangers, you can die 1,000 ways, but since you must unsurely trust, look, there's around the world in 80 days. Consider yourself a hardship, bring back the old Malays, go to Brighton, go to Rome, go to Portland, go by Rome. You will never get around the world in 80 days.
Wiggling hippo dumplings. Crocodile dilly. Gigantus looksy giant jiggy rafts.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do.
of all, you've only just seen the tip of the iceberg so far. And the lunatics behind us are none but nutters.
And all the rest of us we shout.
So good evening, Weston Super Mare. How are we doing this evening? Give us a wave if you're a bit cold. Let's have a wave, Weston. Let's give us